Hello, I'm Dr. Eric Tedford, and I'd like to take you through a high-level deep dive on how AVIV biofungicide works on watermelons. AVIV is our biofungicide that contains Bacillus subtilis. AVIV has broad-spectrum activity against both fungal and bacterial plant pathogens. AVIV is formulated for easy handling that doesn't block screens or clog nozzles, and it also doesn't leave unsightly residues on plants. The strain of Bacillus subtilis in AVIV is more active than competitor products, and AVIV is classified as a low-risk product in the EU. Storage can be an issue for biological products as they are living organisms, and some storage conditions can be quite challenging. AVIV is stable under a wide range of storage conditions. AVIV has also been formulated for optimal dispersion over a diverse range of water qualities and pHs. This also can be challenging because water quality can vary greatly. AVIV is compatible with other products, including other biologicals. AVIV provides disease control the following ways. AVIV provides a barrier for protection by building a protective surface over the leaves and roots. Bacillus subtilis also produces lipopeptides that aid in the degradation of bacterial cell wall membranes. And Bacillus subtilis also induces resistance in some plants, rendering them more resistant to infection. Bacillus also has a symbiotic relationship with treated roots via the production of enzymes required for plant growth and nutrient solubilization. Spores of Bacillus subtilis in AVIV are durable and tolerant to sunlight, temperature, and chemical degradation. The spores of AVIV proliferate rapidly on the surface of the plant and build a biofilm that serves as an active barrier to prevent plant pathogens from infecting the plant. AVIV also produces antifungal lipopeptides like surfactant, iterin, and fungicide that dissolve the lipid layer of pathogen cell membranes. And AVIV also produces antibiotics like bacillicin that prevent cell division of plant pathogenic bacteria. There are many other Bacillus subtilis products available, so what makes AVIV the most efficient one? AVIV contains a highly prolific, patent-protected strain of Bacillus subtilis. The formulation process is optimized for production of natural chemistries that are most important for efficacy, and the manufacturing process and formulation are designed to enhance bioefficacy. AVIV won an award for its formulation in 2017. AVIV has great storage stability, it mixes well, and doesn't settle out nor form precipitates that can block screens and clog nozzles. AVIV was designed for optimal bloom in water. It has excellent wettability characteristics, and it is shelf-stable and dilution-stable for extended periods of time. Other Bacillus products can leave unsightly deposits on dark crops. AVIV does not. Unspent formulation ingredients and carriers in other Bacillus products result in cloudy formulations and unpleasant smells. AVIV is a clear liquid with no detectable scent. AVIV will not clog sprayer screens and nozzles. Water quality and pH are also important components to consider. We tested different water qualities with hardnesses ranging from 20 to 500 parts per million and pHs ranging from 5 to 9. You can see that AVIV was not greatly affected by the water quality nor pH. Extremely high pHs of 9 to 10 were least favorable, but it still did not take Bacillus subtilis out completely. As more and more biological products are being introduced into the market, it's important to also understand compatibility with other biologicals. According to the International Classification Rating Scale, AVIV is harmless to pollinators, predatory mites, parasitic wasps, and earthworms. AVIV provides broad-spectrum control of soil and foliar bacterial and fungal plant pathogens. Here is an abbreviated list. Let's quickly look at some efficacy data from watermelon field trials with AVIV. In this gummy stem blight trial, AVIV was tested alone at the 27-ounce rate and at the 41-ounce rate. AVIV was also tested at 41-ounce rate in a program with stenhexamide and a mixture of cyprodenol and fluopyram. We can clearly see from the repeated applications of AVIV that the product provides control of gummy stem blight. We can also see that there are some rate responses, and the 41-ounce rate was better than the 27-ounce rate. Better yet, AVIV applied in a spray program as one would be used for resistance management provided excellent control. AVIV is a new tool for watermelon growers that can help control gummy stem blight while also reducing the risk for resistance development through repeated use of only a few fungicide options. In this gummy stem blight trial in Florida, AVIV was tested at the 28-ounce rate. The disease really took off later in the season, so the untreated control near 70% severity. All treatments reduced gummy stem blight versus the untreated control. Note that at both rating dates, November 4th and November 14th, AVIV provided control equal to the standard fungicide program. In this gummy stem blight trial in Florida, all the fungicide treatments provided equal control. It was better than the untreated control. These data are for the area under the disease progress curve, so a shorter bar is better than a taller bar. AVIV at 28 ounces per acre provided gummy stem blight control equal to the standard treatment. In summary, AVIV is a very effective biofungicide that has been optimized in its formulation for use. Its broad-spectrum activity against both fungal and bacterial plant pathogens. It can be used on a broad range of crops for foliar soil or seed uses, provides no residues and therefore no MRLs to be concerned with. It offers an excellent tool for fungicide resistance management, and it is suitable for both organic production and IPM programs. Thank you for taking the time to listen. I hope this information has been useful to you. If you need any more information, please visit our website. Always read and follow label directions. Thank you, and have a great growing season.